Introducing the Horizon Memory Craft 12000. Expand your sewing, quilting, and embroidery to new horizons with the most workspace ever on a Janome and embroidery features beyond anything on the 11000, including the largest, most stable embroidery arm ever developed by Janome. From AccuFeed Flex to the innovative touch display, everything on the outside of the Memory Craft 12000 looks new, but it's what's on the inside that will change the way you create. Let's start with embroidery layout. When you're using the built-in program, you're not limited to the touchscreen. Watch this. The new Horizon Link feature lets you connect your PC and work on your machine in real time on any size screen. Or with the software installed on your laptop or Windows tablet, work on your embroidery wherever you happen to be. Create on the go. Just link your computer to your Memory Craft 12000 and you're ready to stitch. Don't put your PC away yet, because it allows you to do something even more amazing. Create your own running stitches for your Memory Craft 12000 with the Stitch Composer. You don't just combine or adjust existing stitches, you make them from scratch. It's easy, sort of like a sophisticated dot-to-dot, and very addictive. Your machine can store up to 30 of these at a time, but you can save an unlimited number on your PC. Then just load them and use them like you would any stitch. The Memory Craft 12000 does embroidery in a big way, and there's still no bulky attachment sticking out from the side of your machine. The linear motion embroidery system slips neatly onto the back. During regular sewing, it gives your fabric extra support and still allows you to use the free arm. You have a bigger embroidery area than ever before with greater accuracy. The linear motion embroidery system utilizes 3 linear guides instead of just 1. This technology, developed for industrial robots, gives you beautiful stitch quality down to the finest detail. And with 4 standard hoops up to 11.8 inches long, you can use dozens of the large-scale built-in embroidery designs, or easily import new designs of virtually any size. The machine also has the new JPX format. It allows the Memory Craft 12000 to view graphic data, which you can use to fine-tune your design when embroidering iron-on transfers. Do you like free motion quilting? This next feature will blow you away. Imagine starting your free motion with a straight stitch, then widening it out to a zigzag, all without taking your hands off your fabric. The variable zigzag function allows you to broaden and taper stitches while you're sewing using the knee lifter. Choose the variable zigzag function and start sewing. Begin widening your stitch with the touch of your knee, up to 9 millimeters wide. As you release the knee lifter, the stitch narrows again. And speaking of a 9 millimeter stitch width, this new machine has it, a first for Janome. The Memory Craft 12000 comes with 425 built-in stitches, many of which can be set up to 9 millimeters wide. To accommodate this new stitch width, the machine comes with 20 new presser feet. One of the places you'll enjoy this width is in the expanded collection of play stitches. Whimsical and clever, you could play with them all day. Quilters love our AccuFeed system. Now it's been given a major upgrade and a new name, AccuFeed Flex. It still keeps your thickest, trickiest layers moving in perfect sync with the feed dogs, but it's also detachable, so when you're not using it, you can easily remove it. AccuFeed Flex works with 2 kinds of feet, a dual prong for extra traction and a single prong for when you need to get in close. You'll have a much easier time seeing up close on the Memory Craft 12000 thanks to the optical illumination system. The highlight slides out to give extra illumination to the needle. And for a really close look, you can attach the AccuView magnifier. This machine gives you embroidery and sewing speeds up to 1,000 stitches per minute, 1-step needle plate conversion, a pivot function on the automatic presser foot lifter, an automatic height sensor for free motion quilting, an automatic pressure sensor for the presser foot, and the new and improved cloth guide, which automatically measures seams up to 8 1/4 inches wide. These are just a few of the features that save you time and give you a more professional finish. The Horizon Memory Craft 12000 is a major step forward in sewing. It will allow you to complete your projects more quickly when you're under a deadline. But it's so effortless to use and gives you such amazing creative tools, you'll be able to enjoy whole days of sewing, quilting, and embroidery. It's truly expanding your horizon.